everyone. I am from Bhuj English School, class 12 poem My Mother at 66. I will explain about the poetess. Her name is Kamla Das. She was born in 1934, Malabar in Kerala. She was foremost poet known for the originality. She has written novel and short stories in English and Malayalam. In poem, comments on feeling of pain and edge on feeling for aging parents. Whole poem is in a single sentence. First, I will read the stanza of the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Kochi last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouth, her face ash like that of a crop, and realized with the pain that she thought away. Doors means short sleep. Crop means dead body. In this stanza, where was poet driving from? The poet was driving from her parents' home to Kochi airport. Her mother was sitting beside her. What did poet notice about her mother? She noticed that her mother was dozing with an open mouth. We can say that when aged people sleep or short sleep, she was sleeping. If she was, mouth will be open. Describe of the poem is this. Why was her mother face look like that a crop? Her mother face looked pale, faded and lifeless like a dead body. Description of mother face. Now, second para. And look but soon, but that threw away and looked out at young trees, streeting the merry children spilling out of the home. Sprinting means running short race. Merry means happy. In this, what is it? The poet is talking about. What did the poet realize? How did she feel? Her mother was lost somewhere else, and thought it pained her. What did she do then? The poet withdrew her thoughts from her mother and looked outside. What did she notice in the world outside? The young tree growing outside went past as if they were spitting. Happy children were coming out of the house. Now third stanza will read. But after the airport, security check standing a few yards away, poet looked again at her van pale as a late winter moon and felt that old familiar edge, my childhood's fears. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile, smile and smile. Van means colorless. The meaning of van, colorless, familiar. What is the meaning of familiar? Familiar means well known. In this stanza, what is the questions? What did the poet do after the security check? You know, when you go in airport, there will be the security check. After the security check, the poet stood a few yards away and looked at her mother's face again. What is her childhood fear? See children, all the children will have the fear of losing their parents. Same year The poetess is expressing the fear of aging, death, separation. The poet parting words. What were the poet parting words? That see you soon, Amma, with a smile. Thank you so much, children. If any doubt regarding any subject, you can contact me or you can call me anytime.